Surviving in today's digital era requires a solid understanding of the digital landscape and the ability to navigate it safely and effectively. Here are 10 basics to help you thrive in this digital age. 1. Digital literacy. Develop basic computer skills, such as using operating systems, browsing the internet, and handling various software applications. Understanding digital terminology and concepts will empower you to adapt to new technologies. 2. Internet safety. Be cautious about the information you share online and the websites you visit. Use strong and unique passwords for each account, enable two-factor authentication where possible, and stay updated about common online scams and phishing attempts. 3. Privacy awareness. Be mindful of your digital footprint and the data you share. Adjust privacy settings on social media platforms and other online accounts to limit the amount of personal information available to the public. 4. Cybersecurity awareness. Stay informed about cybersecurity threats and best practices. Regularly update your software and antivirus programs to protect against potential cyber attacks and malware. 5. Media literacy. Develop critical thinking skills to evaluate the credibility and accuracy of online information. Avoid spreading misinformation or fake news by verifying sources before sharing content. 6. Online etiquette. Practice good manners and respect in online interactions. Be mindful of your tone and language in emails, social media posts, and comments to maintain a positive digital presence. 7. Digital time management. Set boundaries on screen time to avoid excessive use of digital devices. Allocate time for work, leisure, and rest, ensuring a healthy balance between online and offline activities. 8. Backup and data management. Regularly back up important files and data to secure cloud storage or external drives. This precaution safeguards your information in case of hardware failure or data breaches. 9. Digital financial literacy. Understand online payment methods, e-commerce security, and safe online banking practices. Be cautious while making financial transactions online and use reputable websites for purchases. 10. Constant learning. Stay curious and open to learning about new technologies and digital trends. Continuous education will help you adapt to the ever-evolving digital landscape. By following these basics, you can navigate the digital world more confidently, making the most of its opportunities while safeguarding yourself from potential risks.